a room tour at Westin Playa Bonita, room 1438. So when you guys walk in, this is our room. Sorry for the mess, we just checked in today. But I wanted to show you, we have the room with the balcony on the 14th floor. And to turn on the light, you have to put your key card in here, just like on the cruise ship. And then the light turns on. If you don't have your card, it will not turn on. So I see several, plus and minus in the room. Like for us, it's 3 people. I'm traveling with kids by myself. It's a little bit small because we have only one sink and there is a separate restroom from the shower. Shower is pretty big. I like it. Okay, has a shower head and a raining shower as well, so pretty spacious. But in some reason a lot of water was coming out, so not sure why. And the whole room, they don't have enough like shelves or some drawers, cabinets to put our stuff, so we just did it like it is. Then they have very nice bathtub that is really good for our little one. He's only 4, and you can put this shade down that it doesn't bother in anybody, like if you travel, let's say, with adults. So, and they have that sliding door right here. From my understanding, from what I see, I stay in so many hotels before. This hotel, of course, a little bit old. Even, I believe it was built in 2011, but you can see that it's a little bit old. So this is the wardrobe, and we do have safe and only these 3 little drawers right here. I don't need a safe really, I'm not using it, but they can do it wisely and let's say create some hangers here maybe, but they didn't do it, so I think this is not smart to not to save that space. Here is another one that we keep our shoes and some of my clothes. We didn't bring too much because the days goes by fast and we're planning to just spend time at the pool. And here they have coffee maker and refrigerator. There is nothing in refrigerator, but we can make some coffee at least in the room, and there are some shelves right there. Actually, yeah, I need to put some stuff on that shelves. So very nice big mirror. It's super convenient to look at yourself when you're going somewhere. Here is the thermostat where you can change your temperature. It's very comfortable, but very, very hot. In Panama, it's very hot. It's our first time, and the weather is just full. So we have 2 queen-size beds. This is my another son. Hello. Who was such a big helper, and great thank you and appreciation. We survived that long 7 hours flight with our little one. So you see they have a big TV, but again, no cabinets, nothing. Instead of this big bench, I think it will be awesome if they can just do like a, drawers in there that people, like family, can actually put their stuff in, not to have all of this mess on the table, but it is what it is. So what about the decor? Decor seems pretty nice. I mean, like in general, when you walk in, I like it, but you can see it's old, still kind of outdated, but it's okay, it's still beautiful. And we don't know if the beds are comfortable or not. We didn't try it yet, so today it's gonna be our first night, and I'm sure after spending that much time on the plane it's gonna be comfortable. So as I mentioned before, as I said before, you can put the shades down, not to see who is in the bathroom, which, it's just me and kids, so we don't really care. And of course, the best part of our stay is this view. Yes, somebody will say that what if it suck, it's not Caribbean side, but guys, there is mountains, beautiful weather, sun, birds. I love it. It's better than not to have a balcony. It's gorgeous. You know, I can drink coffee on the balcony in the morning, and
You push it forward.
yeah. And yeah, it's pretty big size. As I said, our room was on the 14th floor, and I love it. There is another hotel, and I believe it's Dreams Hotel. That one is completely all inclusive. I work with them as well as the travel agent, and my group of travel agent will be here soon. So on a fam trip, but I came here by myself with my kids just to enjoy our time, our spring break. So the beach is pretty big, and it's not really swimmable. I mean, it's okay, you know, for kids like to go in there and just walk around maybe. You have to be careful and watch for the shells, of course, not to step on anything. And you can see all of the ships coming to Panama Canal and waiting to pass by. When we were driving today from the airport, it was some sort of nice drive actually, about 45 minutes, maybe a little less than that. And we saw downtown, we drive through downtown. So it was nice. I love it. Our first day. So this is the kids club right there. This is a kids pool, then several adults pools all along the beach. It doesn't look like it's a big territory like I thought it will be. It's very convenient. We just ate at the buffet, and the food was pretty good. It's expensive, but it's very good. So guys, this is me, your travel agent guru. Our first time in Panama. And as I said, there are a lot of options where you can stay in Panama. Like if you would like to explore the downtown and you prefer, like you don't care a lot about the beach, you can stay in downtown. But we love to explore the different beaches of the world, and that's why we're here today. And for 5 more nights, we gonna be in this beautiful property. I'm gonna show you more later in my videos, the lobby and the restaurants. So guys, if you have any question about this property and how to become a travel business owner, how to travel the world for less, how to earn money from home, reach me out and I will be more than happy to explain to you and show you how to do it. It's very, very easy to start, and you can travel the world like I do and enjoy your life. Have a great day, everybody. Reach me out. I'm available on every social media. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.